This is the bow. We designed the bow to solve a really interesting problem. How does one attach one rigid object to, say, any wall in your home or office and peel it off without damaging the wall? The bow does the peeling for you. So you can attach this to metal, glass, wood, painted drywall, painted cinder block. I'll demonstrate. Here's a piece of painted drywall, and I've attached an LED light and my phone, two rigid objects, held up by the bow, and when you want to take it off, simply pull straight out and take them off. They come off cleanly from both surfaces, and now you can use them again on another surface.